and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki. Today I'm participating on the Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami from the Latina next door and Lindsey Domer from Domer Home. And they wanted us to recreate a piece for a lot less, and I'm using these dowels. This template I made from this paper, I divided in 4, and then I cut one of those pieces. And we're going to use this aluminum trays from Walmart. Also, we're going to need a piece of cardboard and our rolling pin that I'm going to show you how we're going to use it a little bit later. So, let me show you the inspiration piece. Our inspiration piece comes from World Market for $69.99, and mine I got it for $2.50 with 2 trays from 97 cents. First, we're going to take our template and we're going to trace it into our aluminum tray. Don't worry if it gets a little bit wiggly lines, but try to get them as straight as you can, and you can fix that when you're cutting them. It's because of the indentations of the tray that they won't get as straight as you would like. Now we're gonna cut them like so, just like that. Those are our blades, and now we're gonna take our rolling pin and make them flat. We're not gonna lose the design on the blade, but they will be flat. After we have all of them, we're gonna take a glass and we're gonna trace 2 circles on aluminum and 1 on our cardboard, and we're gonna cut all of them. That will be our center. After you have all of that cut, we're gonna cut our dowels in half and we're gonna start gluing them to our blades. Those triangles are our blades. You're gonna glue all of them to our blades like so, just like that. Just add lots of hot glue because we want them to be really secured to our blades. Just like that. Lots of glue, and add your dowel. And now we're going to add our blades to our center by crisscrossing them. And now we're going to add our aluminum circle to the back part, one there and the other one on the front, like that. Add lots of hot glue and glue it down. Now we're going to take a bowl and trace a circle, and another bowl, smaller one, and trace that circle. And now we're gonna take our box cutter or X-OXO knife and we're gonna cut that circle. Be really careful with your X-OXO knife or box cutter because that cuts and cat can cut through your skin, so just be really careful by using it or when using it. And like that, you will have your circle. That circle, you're gonna put it using lots of hot glue, lots and lots and lots, and put it there. Now we're gonna take our silver paint and start painting our cardboard and dowels with that silver color. because we want all of it to be in the same color. Like that, we let it dry, and we're gonna take gold and start adding that gold to the blades of our windmill. Spreading it through all the blade. And in the center and in our cardboard and dowels and everything. We're gonna add gold to all of it. Now we're taking orange and adding orange to the corners of our blades, because when you see rust, you see an orange tone on it. And I'm adding that to the blades, the dowels, and the center, like so. So you can see in the center, I'm using for the cardboard a paper towel to get rid of some of that excess orange. Now we're gonna take brown paint, and we're gonna start adding that brown paint to our blades in the corners. And then after we do our corners, we're gonna take some of that brown and brush it in the center of our blade, because we don't want a shiny blade, we want it rusty, like so. And now we're adding some of that brown to our dowels and our center. As you can see, this is how it's looking. And now we're adding a lot more brown to just the corners of our blades. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, it's really rusted. And it looks really rusted. And this is how it looks. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I just love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.